You may have heard that the flu vaccine is not always protecting people this year. The flu vaccine protects you from a few of the common strains of influenza. Some of this year's reported cases, though, are due to strains not included in the vaccine. However, here in Washington, 2/3 of the influenza cases have been caused by strains that are included in the vaccine. Getting your flu shot will give you a better chance of being protected if you're exposed to influenza. No one wants to be sick and be stuck at home. Mason County Public Health and Human Services needs your help to protect our community this flu season. There are easy ways that you can fight the flu and help protect others. Be on the lookout for symptoms, which can include sore throat, fever, achiness, and fatigue. Help reduce the spread of germs by covering your nose and mouth when you sneeze or cough, washing your hands often with soap and warm water, and avoiding contact with others. And most importantly, if you find yourself sick with the flu, please stay home. Remaining home for at least 24 hours after the fever is gone will help minimize exposure of others to the vaccine. With these simple steps, we can all do our part to help reduce the chance of spreading influenza.